In this video, we will show you 3 different ways that you can delete your Roblox account. Please note that deleting your Roblox account is essentially permanent. There are rare circumstances where Roblox can recover your info, but typically they do not. Contact customer support using the email on the screen and in the description. In order to verify that you own the account, you will need to send them your name, email, and address. Calling customer support is probably the quickest way to delete your accounts. Call the Roblox customer support line at 1-888-858-2569. And finally, Roblox will automatically delete your account if you remain inactive for a full year. Simply log out of your account and never go back.